Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video. In this following tutorial, I will be showing you how to adjust who can see your location on Snapchat. In case you only want some certain group of people or selective contact to be able to see your location on Snapchat, then you can do that just by following this simple step. All you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end. Before getting started, make sure to update your Snapchat application to the latest version and also make sure to check your internet connection. So without any further delay, let us get started. So once you open up, tap on the location icon in the bottom left corner. Before making changes, make sure to enable your location 5 minutes ahead of doing this following method. So after you open up your map, what you have to do is tap on the gear icon in the top right corner. So as you tap on the gear icon on the other page, you have all the information of your location. So then in order to make changes, you can see under it there are 3 different options, that is my friends except only these friends. So then in order to adjust your location on Snapchat, you'll have to tap on ghost mode. As I've already mentioned before that there are 3 different options, so you'll have to select on any one of these following options. So you can see first one is my friend, which means that all the contact list or all the friends that is on your Snapchat will be able to see your location. So under it there is my friend except. So over here you can eliminate those people that you don't want them to see your location. So what you have to do is just tap on the circle icon right in the corner, and after that all you have to do is select the contact that you don't want them to see your location. Just tap on it and you can select as many contacts as possible, and once you're done, tap on save. So those people that are recently selected are not able to see my location, and other than that those who are on my contact list will be able to see my location. So the last option is just an opposite of what I did recently. So over here you'll have to select those contacts that will be able to see your location. So just tap on the circle icon. On the other page, all the contact that is on your Snapchat will appear over here. So you'll have to select those people who will be able to see your location. Just tap on the circle icon right in the corner, and once you're done, tap on the save button right at the bottom. You can see that these people will be able to see my location. So that is how you can adjust your Snapchat location on your device. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.